sometimes you have to burn it down to save it. Hey folks, Henry here with BrainStorm Acres. Don't have much time this morning, but there's just enough time to try to burn down these weeds along this retaining wall. It's really important because these are some pretty nasty ones, including all manner of things that give all kinds of stickers. So let's get started. I'm done. Come take a quick look, and I think what I'm going to do is sprinkle down a little bit, and then I think we're done. Okay, and if you will turn it off for a second, I'll go up and fill up the water barrel in the greenhouse. Thank you. Well, that's all there is to it. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
We're BrainStorm Acres, and fortunately we haven't set the world on fire.
That's a good thing.
Irene was up in the greenhouse while I was out here burning the stick tights primarily, which are a really nasty creature. They get over everything. You can't get rid of them. The only way we've found to get rid of them is to pick them either when they're very, very young and very green, or burn them like I've done here.
Right, they get in fingers and toes. Shoelaces get totally encased in these darn things. They're basically a sphere that is about, with hooks, probably a 1/16 of an inch in diameter, and the entire surface of the sphere is covered with hooks that hook into your fingers and your toes and your shoelaces.
So that's about all the time we have for today. We have to get ready to go to the gardening club meeting in about 10 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and pack up, get some tomato plants that are excess from our seed starts, and head to the garden club.
Right.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Bye.